Greetings everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll explore the certification process for ISO 27701, the International Standard for Privacy Information Management Systems (PIMS). Let's delve into the steps involved in achieving ISO 27701 certification and the benefits it brings to organizations. ISO 27701 certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to protecting the privacy of personal information. It extends the requirements of ISO 27001 to include privacy management and provides a framework for implementing controls to address privacy risks. Key steps in the certification. Preparation. The journey towards ISO 27701 certification begins with an initial assessment of the organization's current privacy management practices. This involves identifying gaps and determining the resources and actions needed to meet certification requirements. Gap analysis. Conduct a comprehensive gap analysis to assess the organization's existing privacy management framework against the requirements of ISO 27701. This helps identify areas that need improvement or enhancement to align with the standard. Implementation. Implement necessary changes and controls to address the identified gaps and improve privacy management practices. This may involve developing policies, procedures, and processes to ensure compliance with ISO 27701 requirements. Documentation. Prepare documentation including a Privacy Information Management System (PIMS) manual, policies, procedures, and records to demonstrate compliance with ISO 27701 standards. Internal audit. Conduct internal audits to assess the effectiveness of the implemented controls and verify compliance with ISO 27701 requirements. This helps identify any remaining gaps or areas for improvement before the certification audit. Certification audit. Engage an accredited certification body to conduct a certification audit of the organization's PIMS against the requirements of ISO 27701. The audit includes a review of documentation, interviews with key personnel, and assessment of the effectiveness of controls. Certification decision. Upon successful completion of the certification audit, the certification body issues an ISO 27701 certificate confirming the organization's compliance with the standard. The certificate is typically valid for a specified period, subject to surveillance audits. Benefits of ISO 27701 certification. ISO 27701 certification offers numerous benefits to organizations, including enhanced trust with credibility with stakeholders, improved alignment with the data protection regulations, strengthened privacy management practices, competitive advantage in the marketplace, reduced risk of data breaches and regulatory penalties. In conclusion, the certification process for ISO 27701 involves thorough preparation, implementation, and assessment of privacy management practices to demonstrate compliance with international standards. By achieving ISO 27701 certification, organizations can enhance privacy protection, build trust with stakeholders, and gain a competitive edge in today's data-driven world. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like further information on ISO 27701 certification, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.